Oh, Friday, March 22nd. We're in the shop. Got King Charles, at Schooner Shop Dog, and Daisy Puckatawagan Garbage Dog. And we're going to go check on what these guys have done. And I can see a motor installed. I thought they were going to wait. So I thought you were going to wait till I showed up this weekend.
Oh, no, I need other stuff.
Oh.
We got the motor in with a hell of a time. I'm just putting the fuel pump back in and the new one-wire distributor.
Yeah.
And we had a hell of a time with those bolt holes in the motor mounts, eh?
Okay.
So those are just pins. So now I got to put one bolt in at a time. I don't have the right ones, and none come with this.
Okay.
So that'll be down the
So
line.
it's in place, but you're going to move it around yet?
No, just put the bolts in.
Oh, okay.
And then the flex plate goes on, and then the transmission.
Okay.
But we're doing a little bit of everything today.
Wow.
I got the roof in. Now we need special screws. The headliner material is going to go right over this,
Yeah.
whatever kind he wants.
And I see.
And this has to be finished in
Yeah,
here
he's
on
going to
both
do that. He
sides.
said he's going to do that in
whatever he
Minnesota.
wants.
So I
Yeah.
saw you got the wiring done there for the.
Yeah, that's the green is negative and the white one is power wire.
Okay.
So when he puts his light up, it's there.
Okay.
But this is 5 hours with three of us here.
Yeah. I figured as much. Okay, so I was expecting us to do this as a team this weekend, and Dad's already ahead of me and got that all into place. I'm just leaps and bounds. How's the arm?
It's coming along.
Okay.
I can't find the cap for that. I don't know if it come or not. We have to
I'll check the
check
building
in
this
there.
weekend.
If
Yeah.
it didn't, then
You have to order one. Yeah.
order one. So then I'll get the flex plate and the transmission in and the drive shaft and the rear end, and then the brake is next, eh?
Okay.
But we're waiting.
Lots of carpentering here today too, I see.
Well, we made these parts here too. That he needs after it.
Okay.
They go in like this
Yeah.
to hold his strip that he puts in here.
Yeah.
We're gonna paint them so they're ready to go.
Okay. Well, you got a lot of work done today, Dad.
It's so damn time consuming, all this.
But you've got help. Is it not helpful having help?
But I mean, maybe everybody thinks this is taking too long, but if you're gonna do it right, it's all time consuming.
Yeah. Okay. So the next step is install the flex plate, then the transmission. Are you hoping to get the transmission in this weekend?
The flex plate mounts to the end of the crankshaft,
Yeah.
and then the transmission slides into that.
Okay.
And you gotta put the bolts in from the bottom, turn it up.
See, I was under the impression you were going to mount everything up here and then just slide it in and it was all one unit.
No, because we don't know if the mounts that they made fit properly.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, well, so this is it. And,
This is ready to go.
okay.
So it's the drive shaft is after the transmission is next, and then the brake here.
Okay. Well, I am very shocked and surprised at how far Dad has gotten here. And schedule is, I would say, ahead of schedule.
We're
For-
behind schedule.
You're behind.
Yeah, on account of hurt my shoulder.
Oh, okay.
eh? Like it,
Well, got to take it easy just so we can stay on somewhat of schedule. But yeah, so there you go, guys. That's the update, and we'll check in again tomorrow.
so
Okay, we're going to just check in here with Mr. Perkins and find out what's going on here. What's all this steel here? Is this your new floor?
This is the new floor.
Yeah.
It's an extra chunk.
Okay. And what have you got accomplished so far?
Stripped out the whole thing. Never cut one wire or hose.
Ooh,
Hey,
lucky,
that's
lucky,
pretty
lucky.
impressive.
Yeah, there you go.
And buffed the whole bottom.
Yeah.
Blew it all out. Cleaned it.
Okay. So are you happy with your progress then?
Oh
or-
yeah.
Good.
It's gonna be like Not a new machine, but it's going to be
No
pretty.
fires or anything like that,
No,
which is good.
no, from here down, it's going to be brand new.
Yeah,
Really.
good. Okay.
So bogies and that are done.
Okay.
No, it's pretty
Right.
dreamy.
Yeah. Well, you're gonna have a whole gang of people wanting to go on tours
Yeah.
next
right
winter.
away, eh?
So, just
Bar's
because
open.
I know the bar's open, no, just because I know people are going to start asking me, what do all these switches go to?
Well, my buddy Danny helped me put that in, and I wanted to log down which switch was, but I know this one's the interior light right now.
Okay, just that one, eh? The rest are all well.
After you get
figured
driving
out.
it, you remember. You
Yeah.
know,
Okay.
That one there runs the dash.
Okay.
So there's a switch for everything.
Okay.
And there's a couple extra, and we decided that we'd put as many switches in that fit the hole.
Okay.
It's like a garage. It's never too. It's never
Yeah.
too big, right? Like, it's never
So
big enough.
is the goal one day to have like flames coming out of the muffler or something like that?
You know,
or-
that has been discussed.
Yeah. Okay.
That's funny. That has been
Yeah.
discussed.
We did
Wouldn't it-
install a Dukes of Hazzard horn in for one guy.
Oh, I'm not. You know what I would love to do
Oh,
with the muffler idea?
yeah.
When you make a video, you just pull up. You have your kindling all set up.
Yeah.
You let the flame come out of the exhaust and start your fire
Oh,
outside.
there you go.
And then drive away. That's what we would like to do in the
Yeah.
north.
Okay. Well, that's
Hey.
that's a goal to look forward to, Yen.
You guys,
So-
I want to get that done.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
a great idea, Ralph.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
Yeah.
So you're busy. You've been busy doing that all day. How was the
Oh, no,
motor
I didn't
move?
work on this all day. I worked on it till 11 o'clock last night.
Oh wow.
I
Okay.
didn't do anything today. We worked on the blue one.
Yeah. How was it tight to get into that motor into that place? Did you guys struggle a lot? A bit of swearing or a lot of swearing?
You know, everybody was picking on me for a while, but I got through it, you know?
Okay. Well, I'm glad you're here. I do mean
Yeah.
that because with Dad's injury, he needs help and he's boneheaded, and you guys can help out, and that's good.
Well,
I'm glad
that's
you're here. I was expecting to do that this weekend,
What's that?
do the motor install. So I
Oh,
was.
ahead of the game.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here
that's
all weekend, too.
Perfect. Yeah. Great. Okay. Okay. So anything else that anybody, your fans, need to know here?
Oh, let me see here. You know, just like-
Get
Charity
the.
on there and show charity there.
Oh. Did you get a workplace injury or what?
Oh, no.
What's this?
Greasy driller shirt.
Oh,
Charlie. Hey,
okay. Greasy driller.
Stop
There
by
you
and
go.
see me on the way by, Charlie.
Okay. There you go.
My son-in-law.
Okay. Well, they won't see this for about 2 weeks, but I guess they can stop by when
He's
you're.
driving by. He works
They're
in
more
Salt
than
Lake.
welcome to come by and visit anytime.
Yeah, right on.
Okay, good. Our old dog. This is his favorite, his Yummy's treats. In 3 weeks he's been pouting, and now he's got one.